If you're looking for information on the Kissmetrics Lifetime Deal and Kissmetrics Review, you've come to the right place. The Kissmetrics Lifetime Deal was launched on Appsumo with a significant discount, and in this post, we'll share all the details of the deal. We'll cover what the Kissmetrics Lifetime Deal entails, what features are included, and whether or not we think it's worth taking advantage of. By the end of this post, you'll have everything you need to know about the Kissmetrics Lifetime Deal so that you can make an informed decision about whether or not it's right for you. If you can't figure out how to attract your target customers, they'll end up running to your nearest competitor. Tracking customer behavior is the most powerful way to increase engagement, conversions, and business growth, but it's easier said than done. If only there was a tool that could monitor user behavior and track e-commerce analytics to help you convert more prospects into customers. Monitor user behavior on your website to boost conversions and revenue. A/B test user flows to optimize for conversions and segment customers to personalize your outreach strategy. Use multi-channel attribution and revenue reporting to track successful marketing campaigns. Kissmetrics is an e-commerce and SaaS analytics platform that lets you track customer behavior to increase conversions and revenue. Kissmetrics tracks your top KPIs in the metrics dashboard, which you can customize based on your unique business goals. Assign team colors to each KPI and set various permissions that allow your product, marketing, and finance teams to access analytics. Plus, you can change the dashboard's time frame to see data that reflects the last few days, past week, or past month for a more holistic view. With multi-channel attribution, you can track active users over time and find out which touchpoints lead to conversions. That way, you'll be able to understand which events directly impact KPIs, lifetime value, and return on ad spend. And because Kissmetrics lets you pin 2 reports to your dashboard, like activity reports and final reports, you can simplify data visualization. In the populations dashboard, you'll be able to segment users based on specific parameters like their location. Kissmetrics lets you set up parameters for users who are dropping off, including those who haven't logged in or used a feature for the past month. You can even break down user segments to learn which channels they're using and activities they're performing in your funnel. Kissmetrics is equipped with activity reports that track site traffic and user location, including city, continent, and country. You can also generate different types of reports like funnel reports, cohort reports, revenue reports, and power reports. Looking to perform A/B tests? This platform makes it easy to measure the success of your experiments. Figuring out what makes your customers tick requires more than a gut check. Luckily, Kissmetrics helps you track customer behavior and collect the e-commerce data you need to drive more revenue. Convert more customers. Why are you late? Get lifetime access to Kissmetrics today. One-time purchase of $59 only. 60-day money-back guarantee.